Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on anubhavtrainings.com. In the last episode, we talked about the concept of binding the data with the list control in SAP Build Apps. In this video series, we are learning low code, no code development on BTP. If you like my work, kindly like, share, and subscribe this channel with your friends and colleagues. Also, do share the link of this playlist in the WhatsApp group of your team so others can also benefit. With that, let's get started today's session. In today's session, I will explain you what is the concept of page parameter and how can we use the navigation from one page to another page or one screen to another screen in SAP Build Apps. Having said that, let's get started into the system. So what we will do, we will also create a page parameter now so that whenever user come and click this button and navigate to next page, this ID, what you see here, we will pass that ID to that page parameter, and this page parameter we have to create. So let's create a page parameter called product ID of type text. Yeah. So let me just do that, and now I will use my data variable products of one. Yes, we can rename it, let's say single product, which was selected, and I will come to pass ID, data variable, page parameter, and product ID. So please read this particular product ID data, single record data from my integration, from my products entity, and store it in a variable. Yes, store it in a data variable called single product, which was selected by user. So later on, when I do navigation, I will pass the page parameter value. So just to quickly explain it to you, what is a page parameter? So a page parameter can only be of type text. First of all, the page parameter are read-only variables that can be set with the open page flow function for the new page. Example, ID of a product for product details page. So on the first screen, what we have right now is all the products data. Yes, all our product data is there on the first screen. So we have the products as HT 1000, HT 1001, HT 3001, HT 9250, something like this. Now imagine user selected this one. So what I do, I pass this information to my page parameter. So this information will eventually reach to the page 2. And once we land to the page 2, immediately we have a integration with products entity, which is calling our service in the cloud to read products data. So what we do, we have created a data variable called single product that we created, right? Single product data variable. So this page parameter will pass to that single product. Yes, we will pass to that. One second. So I just want to draw it clearly again. Okay, so we have the products HT1000, HT1001, HT5060, something. Now user choose this. So this we will pass to a page parameter. From the page parameter, we will pass this to a data variable called single product that we mapped it, where we now somehow got this ID. Yes, through the page parameter to second page. Now this will call our integration for products. Yes, and that will call eventually our products will call the uh, the cloud, where we have the API, OData API, to give us the data. So we will receive the single record data eventually here. Yes, that is what computer will do for us. Fabulous. So now I'm going to go back and show this in action. So we can come back, product ID, yeah, and that is the page parameter, and you can see that ID we are passing here. We mapped it. So later on when navigation happens, we will receive the ID, we will pass the ID, and we will get the data. And here for the event, whenever I select, you see main, I add a logic that whenever somebody tap on a component, what we are going to do, we are going to open another page. Yes, and we connect. Now, this is called single flow function. So now it's time to test our app, and when I click, you can see it's drilling down and showing all the product details of the selected product. So at any given point of time, our user can go back to the list and then choose any other product, and the corresponding product data will be displayed to the user. So this is how you can create a simple shopping cart application with page parameters and the navigation. For the detailed training like this, you can join our course on SAP Build on anubhavtrainings.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, happy building and goodbye.